कर लो इसको, पूरी आवाज ना रह जाए या मुझे की आवाज
वो उसी के लिए किया हुआ था।
बोल।
सबको म्यूट कर।
यस
कोई नहीं, स्टार्ट कर देते अच्छे टाइम से। Good morning, children. Very good morning to you. So today we are going to start with the second story of your book, Footprints Without Feet. Second story. And the second story is The Thief's Story. The name of the story is Thief's Story, and the writer is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is the writer, and he was born in 1934. He was born in 1934 till date. He is alive and he lives in Darjeeling. He is living at present also in Darjeeling, Mussoorie, and he is an Indian writer but with British descent. With British descent. He is an Indian writer but his parents are British. His parents are British. Okay, children, so this is about the writer, and he also wrote a novel on which a movie was made, Saat Khoon Maaf. Saat Khoon Maaf jo movie bani thi, that is also Ruskin Bond's story. So in today's story, you keep your textbook in your hand, supplementary reader, and keep a pencil also, so that you can write. A young boy makes friends with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Anil and the author are the two characters of the story. There are two characters of the story, Anil and the author. Author is 15 years old, whereas Anil is 25 years old, right? Two characters are there, Anil and author. So young boy, he is the author, meets Anil. Anil trusts him completely. Anil has full trust on the author. Employs him, means gives him work, keeps him under him to work. Does the boy betray his trust? Does the boy breaks the trust of the author? Okay. Who does I refer in the story? Who is the I? Author. Who is the I? Author. What is he a fairly successful hand at? So he is fairly successful hand at stealing. He is a thief. The author is a thief. That is why it is said that it is a thief's story. Karthik, what happens? Karthik, why you have put your finger on your camera? Don't do that. So children,
Okay.
Children, we have two characters. One is Anil and another one is the author. And the author is a thief. That is why it is thief's story. Right? A fairly successful hand means good at some work. Fairly successful hand, good at work. What is the meaning of fairly successful hand? Means good at some work, right? So he is good at stealing, good at thievery, right? What does he get from Anil in return of his work? Anil employs him and what he gives, he doesn't pay him. वो उसको pay नहीं करता है. But he says that I will give you food. You have to cook with me and you don't have to pay. In return, I will feed you. ठीक है? ये उनकी salary है. The mode of salary is not money, it is the food which Anil will give to the thief. Anil doesn't know that the person is thief. Only we know. So I'm reading out the story. I've told you answer of these questions. I was still a thief when I met Anil. So who is I? Who is I? I is the author, is the writer here. Actually not Ruskin Bond, but the narrator who is narrating the story. It is Hari Singh. And though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand. He was only 15. The thief is 15 years old, but he was very successful at his work. Means he was very good at stealing. Okay? Anil was watching a wrestling match when I approached him. So where are the two characters? They are at the wrestling match. Wrestling match mein hai both the characters and they are meeting at a wrestling bout. They are not wrestling, they are the audience. They are the onlookers. He was about 25. So who is 25 years old? Anil. Who is 25 years old? Anil. What age is of the author or narrator? 15. So the employer is 25. An employee is 15 years of age. Right? Two characters, I have told you age, I have told you what do they do. Now we'll read about Anil. He was about 25, a tall, lean fellow. So he was very tall and very thin. Lean is a person who is very thin. And he looked easygoing, very relaxed and easygoing person. Not a complex personality. He was very easy. Kind and simple enough for my purpose. He is saying that Anil was very good for his purpose. What could be his purpose? Purpose could be that he wanted to rob the people, steal from them. चोरी करना चाहता था, उनको चुराना चाहता था उनकी चीजें. So he used to make friends with them. पहले दोस्ती करता था. So when he saw Anil at a wrestling bout, there he found that this person was very simple, easygoing, and he could be easily robbed of. So he said that he was a person of my purpose, right? I hadn't had much of late. Much of late means, luck of late means in the recent times he didn't get good opportunity to steal. Of late means recently. Of late, recently. So he did not have luck. Of late means recently he could not steal a lot, and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. So he wanted to win the confidence of the young man. He wanted to win the confidence of the young man. So what he did, he wanted to win his confidence. Who wanted to win the confidence? Hariram, that 15 years old boy who is a narrator, and whose confidence he wanted to win? Of Anil, who is 25 years of age, and he is a thin, lean, tall man, very easygoing man, and they both are meeting at a wrestling ground. You look a bit of wrestler yourself, I said. A little flattery helps in making friends. So children, the 15 years old boy, that is Hari Singh, is flattering whom? Anil. Why? Because flattery always helps to make friends. कि अगर हम चापलूसी करेंगे किसी की तो वो उससे दोस्ती होना easy हो जाएगा. So he is saying a little flattery always helps to make friends. Right? So do you, he replied. The 15 years old boy is telling you look like a wrestler, whereas he is so thin and lean person. So flattery is actually too much flattery. It is wrong praise, insincere praise. Flattery क्या है? Buttering, चापलूसी. That is insincere praise. So that was insincere praise. And what is the reply? He says, you also look like that. Which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. Now that 15-year-old boy is very thin, so it puts him off. उसका मूड ऑफ हो जाता है सुन के कि इसने तो मुझे, मैंने इसकी फ्लैटरी की तो इसने तो मुझे, he also said the same to me. Whereas none of both the boys, both do not look like wrestlers. They have very thin bodies. So they are flattering each other in a very insincere way. Right? Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. तो कहता मैं थोड़ी थोड़ी wrestling करता हूँ. Modestly means very humbly, in a very humble way. What's your name? Hari Singh. So now we have two characters, Hari Singh and Anil. Anil is 25 and Anil is 15 years old. Anil has approached, sorry, Hari Singh has approached Anil. Hari Singh has gone to talk with Anil. All right, this much you understood, all of you? You understood? Yes, you can nod your head because we have unmuted you. So nod kar diya karo that you understood. Okay. Hari Singh, I lied. So he told the name and he lied. उसने अपना नाम झूठ बताया हरि सिंह ने. क्यों? Because he was a thief and he used to change his name every time he used to meet a new person. अब चोर था, हर बार में वो अपना नाम चेंज कर लेता था. So he told him wrong. Hari Ram, he kept his name for a month. Hari Singh, sorry. That kept me ahead of the police and my former employees. So when he changed his name, he will be ahead of police. Police will not be able to catch him. Also, his earlier employer will also not be able to recognize him somehow by name because he used to change his name. So what the boy, the thief, has kept his new name. New name is Hari Singh. New name is Hari Singh. Right? After this introduction, Anil talked about the well-oiled wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, throwing each other about. So after talking that, they started talking about the wrestlers who had oiled their body. अपनी body oil की भी है उन्होंने, और क्या किया हुआ है उन्होंने? They have also, they are grunting. Grunting means low angry voice. Low angry voice. Grunting is Gurrana, which is low angry voice. Right, children? Grunting, lifting, throwing each other. I didn't have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed casually. वो भी उसके पीछे चलने लगा. Hello again, he said. Again he stopped Anil. Hello. I gave him my most appealing smile. सबसे ज्यादा impressive. Appealing is impressive. बहुत ही प्यारी उसने अपनी उसकी स्माइल दी उसने. So that he wanted to make, because he wanted to make friends with him. I want to work for you. Anil कहता है, I want to work for you. Sorry, Hari Singh says, I want to work for you. I said, but I can't pay you. Anil says, I can't pay you. मैं पैसे नहीं दे सकता. I thought that over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked him, can you feed me? So he thought, yes, I have misjudged my man. Means he thought he is very rich. So he will give him some work. By that way, he will be able to enter his house. And then taking an opportunity, someday by chance he will steal. But what did Anil said? Anil said, I cannot pay you. So he is saying, can you feed me? He is able to feed him. Can you cook? He asked. I can cook. I lied again. So the thief lied again. He said, yes, I can cook. But actually, he did not know how to cook. He did not know how to cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. So what is their salary talks? That Hari Singh will cook for Anil and Anil will pay, Anil will only feed him. Right? He took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop. Jamna sweet shop, and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible, because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. The food which he made was, sir, एक बार unmute करना. The food which they made was, देखो, they are like this, they are not like all the children. Why there is no face? So why everybody show me your face? Everyone show me your face. I can't see anybody. Manan, sit straight. Manan, sit straight. Avni, Gauri, Rhythm. Everybody show me your face. Sit properly. लेटना नहीं है आपने. Screen off करके आप तो सो गए. This is very wrong. Sit straight. कौन रहा है? कौन आगे कर पास. Yes, very good. You all listen to me also and look at me also. आप देखोगे नहीं तो आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा. ऐश्वर्या, ध्यान से सुनो. So, what did Anil do? Anil, he gave food to whom? To the stray dogs. उसने कुत्तों को खाना डाल दिया, गली के कुत्तों को. Because Hari Singh could not make food. He made the food terrible. So it was so bad. And he asked him to go off. Means जाने को बोला. But he hanged around him only. वो उसके पास ही बैठा रहा. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. और फिर दोनों हंसने लग गए. That means he didn't know even to cook. उसको खाना बनाना नहीं आता था. But still, what happened? He said that he lied that I can cook. And when the food was cooked, it could not be eaten because it was horrible in taste, and it was given to the stray dogs. ठीक है? Next देखिए. Later he patted me on the head and said, never mind. He would teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name, said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. I was grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. So he said, the owner, see the employer, he is ready to teach him how to read and write. And he is also ready to tell him how to cook, teach him how to cook. So owner, what is the salary he is getting? He is getting the food in return. And also the owner is ready to teach him read and write as well as to add numbers. And Hari Singh was very happy because he thought when he can read like an educated man, when he can write, then there will be no limit to achieve. He can achieve a lot. बहुत सारा वो चोरी कर सकता है. Like he can excel in his job. What was his job? To steal. What was Hari Singh's job? To steal. Who was Anil? He was a man of 25 years old and he employed Hari Singh. What were the terms and condition of their job? Owner you had to give him food and the servant had to cook food for him. Also the owner will teach him how to read, write and do work, right? So this is this. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies. So morning mein what was Hari Singh's routine, schedule? He used to get up, make tea, and then he used to go and buy things for the daily supply. That means grocery lene jata tha, vegetables lene jata tha. Kab? After morning tea. And there in that budget, he used to steal 1 rupee daily. हर रोज 1 रुपए वो चोरी कर लेता था सब्जी के पैसों में, ग्रोसरी के पैसों में. ठीक है. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. I made the tea in the morning, then would take my time buying the day's supply. Usually making a profit of about 1 rupee a day. 1 rupee a day. एक रुपए रोज चोरी करता था वो. I think he knew I made a little money this way, but he did not seem to mind. Hari Singh thought that Anil knew that he was stealing 1 rupee daily, but he never appeared to be minding it. ऐसा लगा नहीं कि उसको कुछ बुरा लग रहा है. उसने कहा चलो उसको 1 रुपए प्रॉफिट लेने दो. So this was their relation. You got it, children? Now I'm changing the page. Page number 10. Anil made money by fits and starts. Now Anil की story आ गई है बीच में. Anil के बारे में author बता रहा है. Ruskin Bond is telling us about Anil. So Anil is 25 years old and he is the employer. Anil कैसे पैसे कमाता है? By fits and starts. What is the meaning of fits and starts? Fits and starts means not continuous ways. Fits and starts means not continuous. It is not continuous. Fits and starts, not continuous. कभी उसकी कमाई हो जाती थी, कभी नहीं होती थी. कभी वो कुछ करता था, कभी कोई छोटा काम करता था. And he used to write for a magazine also. कभी कोई काम मिलता था, कभी नहीं मिलता था. So that is what we call phrase fits and starts. Yes, fits and starts means not continuously. Not continuously. He would borrow 1 week, lend the next. कभी किसी से मांग लेता था, कभी पैसे आते उसको दे देता था, फिर किसी और से मांगता था, फिर किसी और को पूरा करता था. This was his routine and schedule. He was not a constant earner. Constantly वो earn नहीं करता, right? He kept worrying about his next check, but as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. So single persons always do this. When they earn, they go to celebrate. So Anil was also like that. जब उसका check आता था थोड़े भी amount का, children, so he used to go and celebrate with his friends. It seems he wrote for magazines. ऐसा लगता था हरि सिंह को कि वो magazines के लिए लिखता है. A queer way to make a living. Queer is strange. Queer means strange. अजीब ही ढंग था उसका कमाने का. Because Hari Singh did not know this way of earning. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes. एक बार वो छोटे से बंडल के साथ नोट के आया, यानी नोट थे उसके हाथ में, कई सारे रुपए थे, राइट, नोट. Saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. उसने रात को अपने पैसे अपने गद्दे के नीचे रखे. He kept the money under his mattress. Mattress is गद्दा, ठीक है, जो हमारा सोने के लिए होता है. So he kept the money under the mattress. Mattress के अंदर उसने रखा. Then what happened? I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, has not done anything in my line of work. कहता है मैं एक महीने से उस पे काम कर रहा था. Who was working? Hari Singh for Anil, and he had daily he was taking one rupee, but he had not done any work of his line. उसकी line क्या है? Stealing. What is his line? Line of stealing. He had not stolen money. उसने अभी तक पैसे नहीं चुराए थे. Only वो one daily उठा रहा था. So what happened? Anil had given me key to the door, and I could come and go as I pleased. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Anil ने क्या किया था? हरि सिंह को keys दे दी थी. He had given him keys. अनिल ने keys दे दी थी. Ayushman, where are you? You all show me your faces again. All show me your faces. Gauri, Sanjay, Bhanu, Kuldeep, Praveen, show me your faces, children. I can't see you. आप skip क्यों कर जाते हो? So he is saying that who is the trustworthy person? Who trusts whom? Anil trusts Hariram. How is it shown? कैसे दिख रहा है कि अनिल हरिराम को ट्रस्ट करता है? Because he had given a key to him. उसने चाबी दे दी थी. He had given keys of his room to Hariram. Whenever he wanted, he could come. Whenever he wanted, he could go. So that much trust he was having on Hariram. So Hariram felt very bad when he wanted to steal that money which Anil had kept under the mattress, which he had got by selling a book to a publisher. Right? Okay? Yes. And that is why it was difficult to rob him. See, he is saying when somebody trusts you, it is very difficult to betray him, to cheat him. Cheat करना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है जब कोई काफी आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट करता है, right, children? And that is why it becomes so difficult to rob him. It's easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed, but it's difficult to rob a careless man, right? It was very difficult to rob a careless man. Sometimes he doesn't even notice he's been robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the work. Sometimes a careless person doesn't even know that he has been stolen. उसका पैसा चोरी हुआ है, जो केयरलेस है, ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देता पैसे की तरफ, तो उसको पता ही नहीं चलता कि उसकी चोरी हुई है. वो कहता है फिर कोई मजा नहीं रहता चोरी करने का. This is Hari Singh's ideas, views. It's his opinion. So he is saying it is very difficult to rob such a man. It is very easy to rob a greedy man. जो बड़ा लालची होता है उसको कहता है चोरी करने में मजा आता है उसकी, पर जो केयरलेस है, ट्रस्टिंग है, तो बड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है उसको रॉब करना. When it's time, I did some real work. What is the real work? Stealing. What is the real work? Stealing. Karthik, listen to me. What is the real work? It is stealing. I told myself I am out of practice. Now what is the practice? Practice of stealing. So he's saying I am out of practice. मैंने तो चोरी किया ही नहीं. So he wanted to steal. And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. अब उसके reasons क्या है हरिराम के उसको cheat करने के? He is saying if I don't take the money, then he will spend it on his friends. वो तो अपने दोस्तों पे ही उड़ा देगा पैसा. So why not I steal the money and take the money myself? Because after all, he thought that he is not being paid also. वो तो उसको pay भी नहीं कर रहा है. So these all points he brought to his mind and justified his act of stealing. So who wanted to steal? Hari Singh. What money? Of whom? Anil. Where he had kept the money? Below the mattress. What were the reasons? What were the points he was justifying to steal? That he said that he was not paying him money. And after all, he is going to waste the money on his friends. So he thought, why not? I will take it. So questions again, read and find out. How does the thief think Anil will react to the theft? Anil कैसे react करेगा theft का? He may not know it firstly. Secondly, when he will come to know, he is so careless, he will not be that much, affected. What does he say about the different reactions of people when they are robbed? Yes, Karthik, you tell me, what are the reasons, how he will think? You all show me your faces and raise your hands. Children, raise your hands. What were the different, this thing? Karthik ka haath hai. Karthik. Haan, Karthik, you tell me, beta. You unmute yourself. Karthik, unmute. Now you say, what were the different reactions of people? Yes? Different reactions? Karthik? Karthik Godara.
Yes, ma'am, I am not getting you.
Beta, the question, second question of the book, second question. That is, how does he say about different reactions of people when they are robbed? So listen to me. He said, some are so careless they don't know. Some are greedy. So it is good to steal. It's good to rob them. The greedy, it is good to rob. Some careless, they don't even know. Right? So this was the different reactions. Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? क्या वो realize करता है? So we will come to know in the story whether he comes to know or not. Only this much only we will read today, and you will not write these, but you will write questions. 3 questions of page number 1 of story 2. Children, you all have to write 3 questions of page number 1 of story 2. That is your homework. Also write these words and phrases. You have to write these words and phrases and make sentences of your own. आप अपने खुद के sentences बनाओ using off late, fairly successful hand, grunting and appealing. Grunting and appealing. Impressive. Appealing, impressive. And then fits and starts, not continuous. You have to make 4 or 5 phrases I have given and words. Please write them in your notebook, make their own sentences and write question answers 1 to 3 of page number 1. Then we will continue tomorrow. Now if you have any doubt, anything, please ask me. Unmute और उनके बोला दो सारे. Children, if you have any doubt, unmute yourself and ask me. आप अपने आप को unmute करो, अपनी आवाज आने दो मेरे तक, unmute करो और मुझे पूछो please. If you have any doubt, after this you will be having your Hindi class also, isn't it? अभी इसके बाद आपकी हिंदी क्लास भी है. So you all what? इसी आईडी पर आपकी हिंदी क्लास है. At 10:40 you have your हिंदी क्लास. 10:40 पे आप लोग आ जाइए. 10:45, 40 जो भी टाइम दिया आपके ग्रुप में, you will have हिंदी क्लास. Please, like yesterday, खुशी told me, आप अपने डाउट्स गैदर कर लो बेटा. collect your doubts and ask sir. All right? Anybody, any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah,